Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing our box thing. What do we got for you today? Something different. Mickey loot, but not just any Mickey loot. This is a Maleficent only box. Villains only box. That's what I said. You heard different. And this is coming up right now. Alright, let's crack into this. So this one was $150. It's a one-time box, not a subscription. I did it. Ready? Pick your poison. Alright, I'm gonna put this down here. Boop. Chris, thank you so much for trying our limited release Villains box. We are excited about these themed boxes and hope you enjoy this one, celebrating the badder side of Disney. Mickey loot. Sweet. Caution, spoiler alert. Some strong tissue paper.
No, don't do it.
There's confetti in it. There's confetti in it.
You're such an...
All right. Wow. Oh boy. Ready? All right. She's a little upset about the confetti pop. Glitter. All right. First things first, for Villains pins, they're really cool. They have like a texture to them. They're not shiny, glossy, and they're nice, big, heavy pins. That is $28 in the park. I'll throw a better picture in the photo box. Boop. Very nice start. Alright. I like that they're all wrapped like presents. I think I said that last time, but I still like that they're wrapped like presents. Alright. We have a Villains dinner. Villains dinner. Coming over for it. They'll be here shortly. Villains notebook. And it's got the little ribbon that runs through the middle so you can keep your page. $20 in the park. I will unwrap the plastic off of this and throw it in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. Very nice. Alrighty. What do we have? Oh, the corner's ripped. I see red. You know what that means? It's a Jim Shore. Alright. Here it comes. It's the Evil Queen! Holding a pumpkin. We have this on a couple of wish lists, so now I'm gonna have to go update those. How awesome is she? Oh, the back looks really cool. I like the pattern that he did down the back. Very nice. In all her evilness. I'll throw that on the turntable so you can take a look. Boop. You can hear my dog shaking. Just action-packed today. That's cool. Alright. Then... big one. Mary's very excited. Villains Loungefly backpack, and it's not one that we already have. Oh, and it has a poison apple zipper pull. Look at that. Very nice. The inside is all poison apples. Very cool. Alright. I think that might be... Yep. That's everything. So let's take a look at the spoiler sheet. A little glitter on it. I will throw this up on the screen so you can take a look with me. Boop. Jim Shore Poison Pumpkin, $50. Villains 4-piece pin set, $27.99. Villains Loungefly Mini Backpack, $69.90. Villains Up to No Good Journal, $19.99 for a grand total of $167.88, and we paid $150. Very nice. I'm a happy guy because I got a happy wife. All right. That's it for today. If you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, that would help us out a ton. Click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.